Identity theft is a crime that impacts millions of consumers every year, robbing people of their credit and their sense of financial security. If you're a victim, use the tips on this checklist to help restore your good standing. Place a fraud alert on your credit report. Regardless of whether or not thieves have already misused your personal information, the most important thing that you can do is minimize the harm. The fraud alert tells creditors to contact you directly before opening any new accounts or making any changes to existing accounts. Once you have placed this alert, take advantage of your right to free copies of your credit report to verify the full extent of the damage. Carefully inspect your reports for suspicious activity, like inquiries from companies you didn't contact, accounts you didn't open, and debts on your accounts that you cannot explain. Whether an unauthorized account has been opened in your name or you have become aware of unauthorized activity on an existing account, it's critical that you contact your account provider or agency to limit the havoc identity thieves can cause. Be sure to close the accounts that you believe have been tampered with or opened fraudulently. Remember that identity theft can occur anywhere. If you're planning a trip out of the country, carry a copy of the international emergency numbers for your credit and debit cards. File a report with your local police or the police in the community where the identity theft took place. Most credit card issuers require proof of theft to begin the remediation process, so a police report is crucial. If, however, the local police tell you that identity theft is not a crime in their jurisdiction, ask to file a miscellaneous incident report. If that request is denied, contact the local sheriff's office or the Pennsylvania State Police. Regardless of what entity takes your complaint, ask for a copy of the report, or, at the very least, the report's number so you can submit it to your creditors. File a complaint with the Pennsylvania Attorney General's Bureau of Consumer Protection and the Federal Trade Commission to ensure that the full scope of law enforcement is brought to bear against the thieves. Both the Attorney General and the FTC maintain databases of identity theft cases and will prosecute crooks to the fullest extent of criminal and civil law. The Attorney General may also be able to gain some restitution for you, the victim. Continue to review your financial account statements. Identity thieves may not strike immediately, so it's critical to remain vigilant. And monitor your credit reports every few months in the first year of the theft and once a year thereafter. Follow up with utilities and credit card issuers to make sure no unauthorized activity has occurred on your accounts or under your name.